This is Brian Berner here from Texas Instruments. We're here at Embedded World 2022 in Nuremberg, and I'm here with Pekka Varas, also from Texas Instruments, and Laurent from SolidRun. SolidRun has a new AM64 system on module in a 37 by 50 millimeter package, and the baseboard right here, and this fully enclosed version. So we're here to talk today about TSN, time-sensitive networks, industrial communications, and what we can do with this device.
So that's pretty much what this device was built to do. Was the TSN networking, which is the bringing some of the same capabilities that are available in the traditional industrial networks like Profinet and EtherCAT, which, by the way, we can also do. So this is kind of a bridge device to be able to support the existing in-volume networks like EtherCAT, which I just heard, by the way, has grown 2x volume since last year. So they're not going away. So this can do the legacy protocols or the existing protocols and the TSN features of the 2018 Ethernet.
That's a good point you bring that up. So this is industrial Ethernet as opposed to the Profibus. So I get this kind of that TSN is this trendy word for introducing the capabilities to do real-time industrial control over the standardized Ethernet. Standardized as in IEEE standardized. These industrial Ethernets like Profinet, that's standardized by Profinet International, but it's a little bit more of a closed community. But it's the good thing is there's a lot of equipment that talks Profinet, and that's kind of like that's where you would run those protocols. But then with the same hardware, with just a different software load, you can run the hopefully soon to pick up TSN-based solutions, including OPC UA. So I think pretty much everyone that I've talked to about this device has said TSN. They want to know more about TSN. When can we have it? Profinet, EtherCAT, and So aside from the AM64 processor, which is single dual quad R5F and single or dual A53 core, Laurent, why don't you talk about the other peripherals on this board here?
Yeah, I think what we're providing with this board is a complete set for fast development of any gateway device. So we provide a top of standard Ethernet, on top, with the SoM that goes here, but we provide also N.2 connectors for additional peripheral memory. We provide an LTE modem option with a SIM card holder. We provide also a CAN and RS485 connector for people that wants to have directly a field bus connected on the gateway. So it's basically with one board was that you can develop most of the applications with the system without having a single hardware development, and then we can either work with you to adapt the volume, the baseboard, or do it for you, and we can provide with volume some adapted baseboard for your business.
So with the software installed on here, I can install this directly in my system or get the custom baseboard design.
So, and it's totally open. That means all our software is open. That means that it's up to you to define all the software stack, what stack you want, exactly what application you want. We are, let's say, really a platform provider. Our goal is to provide to OEM and product developer a cheaper way, a faster way to develop their product.
I mean, the one thing I'd just like to add with the Ethernet ports. This also includes basically an Ethernet switch, which is done on the chip itself. So it allows for like a line topology, which is the typical use case in an industrial network. So you have a bunch of these in a daisy chain. It could be 100 meters long cable, or sometimes it's a short cable. but you can run both the controller on the Linux cores here, and also use it as a kind of a high-end remote I/O device with the R5.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's fun to talk about the super high speed stuff, but there's also some other ports on here, low speed, traditional interfaces like RS485, CAN, and even
not wired, right? Wireless, the simple link device as well.
Yeah, you have also a Wi-Fi option if needed. And we know that now Profinet is also promoting Wi-Fi, so it's really a very flexible development platform. And the good thing is that for volume production, we can shrink it to your need, so to have a cost-effective solution.
Well, thanks for being here with us, Laurent,
Thanks,
inviting
Brian.
us to your booth.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pekka.
Thank you.